Hi guys, Dr. Neda Nafei at Synergy Integrated Medical Center in Dubai. We want to talk about when you receive a chiropractic adjustment, what is that noise, that popping sound that you hear? Is it your bones breaking? Is it bad? Is it good? So the popping sound is just air pockets that gets released from between the facet joints. If you look at the position of the spine, these are your vertebrae and they have these facet joints that are acting like a lock and key that they need to smoothly run on top of each other so the spine can move properly. Imagine if this is your spine and it is supposed to move like this. But then there is a section that is like this. It's not moving properly. Like some old people, really old people, you call them and they don't say yes. They don't go like yes. They go yes. Because everything is kind of glued together. This is that glued part. The job of a chiropractor is to come and open this and make sure whatever is in between them, which are the discs and the nerves, are motioning properly. Now, I want to bring your attention to a nice door of ours. So look at this door, look at this hinge. This door is supposed to open like this, okay? But let's say something happens and blocks this hinge specifically. Now, every time we open the door opens from here. So what do you think will happen to here? It will get rusty, it will get squeaky because it is doing the job of two joints. So this is exactly what happens inside your spine. When the joints get blocked because of what? Because of muscles getting spasmed, because of the computer work, because of the mobile phone always in our hand, or injuries, accidents, poor posture, scoliosis, many reasons are there. Body will create a block of muscle and also air pockets around the joint. The chiropractor comes and pops that air pocket basically. Physiotherapy works with the muscles to put machines on your back, and we work on the muscle spasm, allowing the proper motion of the spine so the nerves that exist from in between, they can deliver the message from the brain properly. Thank you.